Hello students, welcome to the class. This is Hemlata Soni and today we are going to read a poem, The Rebel, composed by DJ Enright. So here is a brief introduction of the poet. Dennis Joseph Enright was born on 11 March 1920 in England. He was a British academic, poet, novelist and critic. He died on 31st December 2002 in England. And here is a brief introduction of the poem. So children, the name of the poem is The Rebel. So the question arises, what does the word rebel mean? So a rebel is a person who does and thinks just opposite to others. Such people have the habit to go against the people around them. Like if you prefer tea, such people prefer coffee, and if you prefer coffee, such people prefer tea. So these people go against every time. So this poem explains the activities and thinking of a person who is a rebel. So I start the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So the poet says that when everybody likes to have short hair, at this time the rebel lets his hair grow long. He has long hair at this time when everybody is having short hair, and when everybody likes to have long hair, at this time the rebel cuts his hair. He has short hair, he likes to have short hair at this time. And when everybody is talking during the lesson, if the teacher has allowed the students for discussion, at this time the rebel keeps silence. He is quiet and he doesn't say a word. And when there is pin drop silence in the class, the rebel creates a disturbance and he disturbs the class. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So the poet says that when everybody is wearing a school uniform, at this time the rebel wants to be dressed in fashionable or in fancy clothes. And when everybody is wearing fashionable or fancy clothes, at this time the rebel dresses himself in simple or ordinary clothes. When the rebel is in the company of dog lovers, when he is surrounded by the people who prefer dog, at this time the rebel says that he likes to have cat. And when the rebel is surrounded by the people who like to have cat, the rebel says that he likes to have a dog. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. The poet says that if the sun is shining brightly and the people are praising the sun, at this time the rebel wants to have rainfall and he remarks on the need for rain. And when it is raining and everybody is enjoying and welcoming the rainfall, at this time the rebel regrets for the sun and he says it would be good if sun would be there. And when everybody goes to the meeting or for outing, at this time the rebel stays at home and he likes to read a book. But when everybody is staying at home and reading a book, like if it is the time of exams, at this time the rebel goes out in the meetings or for outings. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one, because the rebel has a tendency to go against the people around him. That's why whenever others say yes please, at that time the rebel says no, and when others say no, at that time the rebel says yes. So the poet says that it is very good that we have rebels in our society or with us, because these are the people, these are the persons who bring sometimes new ideas, and they have guts to go against the wrong deeds. The poet says that rebels are good, but nobody likes to be a rebel oneself, because if we become a rebel, then we are not liked, we are not loved by others, and we are left alone. So children, this was the poem, and now this is the time to discuss the question answers of this poem. Question number 1. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? If someone doesn't wear a uniform, the teacher will scold and punish the child and inform the parents of the child. Question number 2. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants a cloudy sky, means rainfall. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? If the rebel has a dog for a pet, then everyone else is likely to have a cat for a pet. Why is it good to have rebels? It is good to have rebels because at least there are some people who have the guts to go against the world, and sometimes they bring new ideas, and sometimes they create amusements for us. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? It is not good to be a rebel oneself, because then people will not like us, and we will be left alone in the world, and we will become an enemy of the majority of people. Next question. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? So students, you will answer this question yourself, whether you want to be a rebel or you don't want. Next question. Find in the poem an antonym. Antonym means opposite word for each of the following words: long, short, grow, cut, quietness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, found. Find in the poem lines that match the following. Read both one after the other. The rebel refuses to cut his hair. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. He says cats are better. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. He recommends dogs. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. He is unhappy because there is no sun. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. He is noisy on purpose. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So children, these are the question answers and the poem, and I hope you'll learn the poem as well as the question.